Our marriage was on the rocks because of snoring. And if you have a partner who snores, don't sleep another night without this.
This is the anti-snore mouth guard from Snorelessnow.
And we noticed a big difference from the very first night.
It naturally relieves snoring by opening the airways to allow you to breathe correctly.
And it works so well to stop the snoring. It's really easy to use too. He just has to put it in before bed. It's comfortable, it molds to fit his mouth, and no more snoring.
It's Swiss made and great quality, and it's one of the best snoring products out there.
Honestly, if your partner snores, do yourself a favor and just get one of these. Believe me, you and your marriage will not regret it.